Dan, you just got in the Relax Sauna for about 6-7 minutes.
Yes, sir.
How do you feel?
Honestly, amazing. I can't remember the last time that I felt this much of a change in 7 minutes. I traditionally lift weights about 5 times a week and go biking. I try to go about 100 miles a week, so my legs are always really stiff and sore. I actually had a hard time getting out of the car this morning walking over here, but after 6 minutes, I could stand up. Feeling pretty good and nice and loose, and got a nice sweat going too. So overall, yeah, amazing.
The Relax Sauna was amazing. I came in, I was stiff, my joints were hurting, my hip was hurting from yesterday's lunges. After 10 minutes of the sauna, I feel like a new man, rejuvenated.
Okay, and you got in the sauna about 3-4 minutes ago.
I did, after doing about 10 different workouts, and I feel much better. Much more relaxed. I did a few workouts before a couple days ago, like chest and legs, and I could literally poke myself in those muscles that were sore before I got in here. And I'm poking myself right now, and it doesn't hurt at all.
How many days have been the muscles sore?
About 3 or 4. I work out every day, but I went about 2 weeks without it, and then when I started back up on Monday, I could tell I was instantly sore. And so, but now I feel like I can probably do some more workouts. So
wow.
This is
So
nice.
there's no soreness at all?
No, literally, I'm poking myself.
And it's been sore for 3-4 days?
For 3 or 4 days, yeah.
Did you expect this?
No.
But you were anxious to get in the sauna.
Yes, I looked for you guys. I was all around, literally the whole building. Where are they? This is awesome. This is great.
Right. Gianna, you got in the Relax Sauna for about 5-6 minutes.
Yes.
How do you feel?
Amazing. I was very stiff. My quads were very stiff.
Yeah.
Hurt to walk.
Yeah.
And then now I feel everything's loose, comfortable. I feel like I could run right now. Whereas before I was struggling to get around the convention center.
You're a happy
great.
camper. You've been in the Relax Sauna for about 10 minutes now.
Yes.
Tell me how you feel.
I feel incredible. I don't want to leave. I feel warm and relaxed. My muscles feel great. I ran a marathon this morning, so this is just enhancing my recovery more than anything else I've done today.
Can you explain more why you feel so good and the subtleties of it?
Sure. Right now, I feel enclosed and safe and warm. And with the heat that's emanating, it's relaxing me. I'm feeling a little bit sleepy, but it's a good sleepy. My muscles feel loose. My brain feels good. My brain feels clearer than it was before. So I feel good.
Yeah.
Yep.
And how'd you feel when you finished the marathon?
I was tired and sore and fatigued. Now I think I can have a day.
Now you can have a day.
I can have the rest of my day back.
Okay, so I just did about 10 minutes in the infrared. I do not feel sore, I do not feel tired, and my crowning achievement, I can do a squat.
She's not getting paid for this.
I'm not getting paid for this, I just did this because I was here, I can bend my legs,
I'm at like 26 miles.
26.2 miles this morning. I was so stiff. I was ready for my nap. I'm good to go. I think I could probably do yoga and I'd be okay. 26.2 marathon. I could do more. I'm good to go. Thank you.
you could run another. You could run another marathon.
I could.
Wow.
Yeah, definitely happy with this.
Great.
I myself am a performance athlete.
Yes.
I compete in marathons, endurance races, heavy weightlifting, athletics. I cannot live a day without this machine. I sauna at least 30 to 40 minutes every day. It makes me feel balanced, calm, relaxed. I generally feel like if I don't sauna, I'm not in that same level of health that I was the day that I did sauna. And it's one of the few saunas that actually penetrates in past the cellulite.
Yeah.
It's able to break up the cellulite, rid you of all those toxins, help you detox. So it detoxes your blood, your organs, everything. The Relax Sauna is just, I recommend it to everyone. I tell everyone I have to get one of these.
How many years have you been using saunas?
I've been using saunas, I'm 27. I've been using saunas for about 13 years actually.
And the Relax Sauna is your favorite?
The Relax Sauna is hands down my favorite. I regularly go to sauna houses.
Yes.
But I still, if I'm gonna have a day of like a Korean bathhouse, I still get my Relax Sauna in, and then I go to the Korean bathhouse because I know that with a Relax Sauna, when I sweat, it's over 80% toxins.
Yes.
And I know that with regular saunas, when you sweat, it's over 80% just pure water.
80% what?
Pure water.
Yes, yes. How has the Relax Sauna helped your athletic prowess?
I would say that I definitely perform way better, because my muscles are so well conditioned. They're actually soft. They're not these rock hard muscles because there's no toxins building up in my muscles. I don't have any cellulite, and because it's infrared, it is inflammation reducing.
Yes.
So if the muscle gets like irritated, inflamed, it's okay. It's gonna be better in 30 minutes after my sauna. I'm gonna be better.
Huh.